Oh, I see you. How is that gas mask when you put it on? Like, what is it? Is it bad? Like the visibility?
No, not real bad.
Do you
It's
have a
just like you're like,
filter?
no, I don't think so.
No. I do have a filter. Just one though. I'm running to the building right now.
I don't even see you, dude. Like the big long one?
Yeah. Oh, there's a zombie. I missed.
It's like a little crawling bastard, dude.
Oh. Dude. Oh god, I think I'm starting to lag.
There's
God.
one over there, too. I say we just get in the fucking building.
Yeah, cause I feel like I'm starting to lag.
I only see one, so.
Let me in. Okay. I hear one in here. I think. Maybe. Which means people were probably already looted this shit. After this building, if there's like nothing in it, I think we should just cut our losses and get the fuck out of here and go build a base. So we don't die. Cause I can't carry that much either if we find something. Dude, it sounds like there's... Oh god, close that.
Close it.
Close that. Yep. Fuck
There's
that.
all kinds of shit in there, though.
Dude, oh god. Oh shit, dude, they're coming in. Close that door behind us. Kill this zombie. Oh fuck, dude. What the fuck?
Dude, he's crawling, bro.
God, he got a he
Shit.
had a fucking vest on. Plate carrier. Did you drop a canteen? Did he
I
knock
don't
it out
think
of your...
so.
He might have knocked it out of your...
He might have.
He
How would
probably
he have
broke
done
it.
that?
I think he broke it.
No, I still got mine. I still got
Oh.
mine.
Well, that one's pristine, sitting on the ground. What's mine? Hang on.
Dude, if we go out there, we're
Mine's...
fucking dead.
Oh, I know. I can hear him, dude. I can hear him.
We're just gonna have to
Holy
crouch
fuck,
and
dude.
chill.
Yeah.
We could try it.
Oh, fuck,
Move
dude.
out of the way of the door.
Here we go. Got two. Alright, reload. Reload. Okay, maybe. Here, let's just sneak.
Oh fuck, they're over there. Just as long as there's space between us and them, bro.
I wonder what... These are like medical... Oh shit, there's a bunch of them down there. This don't have doors. This place don't got shit either. Alright, dude. I think we go back. Because if we go down there, there's a bunch.
But we can get on top of these fucking containers.
Yeah, let's just do that. Yeah.
We're gonna kill them?
That's the plan.
Headshot them all. Headshot them all, dude.
Unsilenced pistol because I want to bring them all here. Kill them all. Yep. Bring it on. I'm closing this so we can kill them rather than trap them. Damn, the zombie won't die. There we go. Is that it?
No, I hear more.
I hear one somewhere. Oh, right here. Oh, there's another. There's another one. What is he wearing? What the hell? Oh, there's coming out of the tent like freaking gangbusters coming out of there. I'm gonna have to reload my mag. Oh my god, dude, they just don't stop coming. Alright, I gotta reload this.
There's a gun right there, bro.
I see it.
An SG5. Sick.
What does it take?
I don't even know. Didn't have time to fucking look, really.
Yeah, get back up here, there's more. Huh. What, I hit him in the ear?
Saw you, buddy.
Holy fuck, it took long enough.
What the fuck is BDU pants?
I don't know.
This is just
I'd like to
terrible.
just switch out the pistol, honestly, with something better. Like a Desert Eagle or something. But then I wouldn't have ammo. The 45, honestly, is really good. I find it all the time. Yeah, like this right here. Oh, what's this? What's this? 308 round. Some 308 in there. M4A1 carry handle. Sights. Oh, a red dot for something. Yeah, there's a red dot. 5.56. I don't know what gun you have, so I don't know if that's something you could use or not.
I have so many guns, I don't even know what the fucking
I know.
fish trap.
Small fish traps. Yeah, someone was here, because that's not normal to just be laying there.
One butt stock. Build jacket, which I already have.
Oh, is that a 40? Oh, it's a 9mm mag. Yeah, someone was just here. It kind of sucks.
Look at all this shit, dude. There's so much shit here.
Check out this big ass building here. Try to find a way in. Over here, looks like.
Close the doors.
There's a zombie out there. Oh my god, every door is open. Like, to the outside. There ain't shit in here.
Motherfucker been cleared out.
We're just getting table scraps. No, there's... I don't... No. There ain't shit. What is that? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, where in the fuck are you at?
I just found a submachine gun, brother.
Yeah, I
It's
got
like
one
a
too.
SUG 40
Fucking zombies
something.
showing up.
Just get on a shipping container or something. Mine uses 45 ACP rounds, which is nice because I have lots of that. I could honestly change out the pistol for that.
I want... And I need 9mm rounds and 357 rounds. I think I got rounds for everything else. Maybe.
Hey, I'm over here. Oh, that was close. Why?
They're coming after you.
I'm not in the building. I'm on the roof. Look
Well,
over behind you. See me standing here?
they're all inside the building. You're on. That's weird.
I don't know.
They're
I'm
like,
not. If this wasn't such a high drop, I'd drop down. Oh, there's a ladder over it. Actually, I don't know if I can get down or up, back up.
they're like all in the fucking.
I can't get back up, so I'm gonna have to jump down. Is there anything I can drop down onto? I don't like how high
Is
it
that
is.
you? Is that you? Nope.
No. See, now the gun's starting to jam. Let's just go in this direction.
Where the fuck are these people?
They're across the other side of the airstrip, so let's just go this way. Go away from them. I don't really want to talk to people anyway.
So if we killed somebody, we'd get booted from this server.
Yeah, like they know when someone gets killed by another player. Another scope there. If you find a pistol, let me know, because I do need a pistol for in my holster on my chest, but... There's a road flare, you might want that. What'd you
I'm
find?
so fucking full.
There's a road flare in there. I don't know if you could... You probably can't even take it, but... Alright, let's check these buildings over here. Yeah, we gotta go back to the way we came to go south, unless you just want to go east and go...
Dude, it's about to start downpouring. I can already tell.
Yeah, well, it's gonna get dark too.
Here it comes. There it is, raining. Fuck.
It's gonna get dark too. Whatever.
Oh yeah, I found out that my battery got attached to a scope.
Yeah.
Yep. I didn't mean for it to, but... You know, something definitely happened here.
Unless this is where... Oh, it looks like a gas station. I wonder if this is where the explosions came from. Someone screwed up or something. Filled up the wrong gas. I don't know. I don't even want to get close to it, honestly.
Dude, dead body anywhere?
No. There's a ballistic vest in here. Do you have a plate
Where?
carrier?
Yeah.
Oh, well then that's not any better. Alright, what's up with this little... Whoa. What's up with this little car? It looks drivable, don't it?
No.
Well, kinda did. Oh, the wheel's gone. Never mind. Did from the front. Well, I don't know, dude. Wish I knew where to go to find a car. Is you on the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Just keep running.
Can I climb on something? I was saying, oh god, because there's like 20 of them. That one's running away.
My goodness, I might be out of SKS ammo.
How'd you get on that car?
762 by 39. I just climbed up on it.
Dude, get up. Oh my god. Wish there was something to climb on this place. Back, Jared, you gotta shoot him.
Where are you?
I'm coming. I don't see him. I hear him though. Oh, they're on the inside of the fence. Bitch. Here comes Old Man Jenkins.
He went the other way. He was like, nope. Forget that.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I need 762 by 39.
Yeah, back at the base there was a dead zombie with a box of it, but I was being chased.
Wanna go back to the base?
No. Not particularly.
Like, look, there's a fucking helicopter crash right there, bro.
Yep.
Oh, dude. Do you want to check it out?
Let's see. Oh, there's a bunch of zombies, so that means there's probably no people.
No.
Nobody's checked it. Ah, fuck it, let's do it.
Well, it's just they have like the best backpacks.
Yeah, let's do it, and they'll probably chase me.
Try and kill them from a. Let's kill them from a distance. Let's stay back a little bit. Let's stop right here, aim out, and fucking drop them. Like even if.
Oh, I missed. Look, that one's down. Oh god, now they're gonna know. What? Oh, watch out. He's right on your ass. I think that's the last one. You could probably just get him with a melee weapon if you...
I can't
I guess you can't switch. I can't get him. Damn it. There we go. Jesus. Alright, let's check it real quick and get the heck out of here. Oh, there's a zombie sitting in it.
The fucking SKS or KAS 74 or whatever it is. Doesn't that mean
A field backpack? Isn't that like that is the best one in the game? Okay.
damn it, you got it, don't you? Fucker.
Yeah, I got it.
You suck.
It holds 90 instead of 80.
Yeah, you motherfucker. I can't even fucking switch shit out, you son of a bitch.
Well, I'm holding planks and shit for our base as well. Hey, there's a belt here.
Where?
Inside the...
You gotta move. What is that? Is that another backpack or is this one you're grabbing?
I'm putting a helmet on. Oh no, this is the one I had on. There's the belt. Oh, is that... That's another one. That's the same thing. Field backpack. It's the best one.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
90. Yours is just black instead of green. Mine's green.
Sweet mama. Thank goodness. Okay.
Dude, that's awesome. I'm glad we checked this out. Apparently around the helicopter crash there's stuff, but it's like hard to find anything. There's a field vest. Oh, AKSU 74.
Yeah,
74U. Oh, I can take another mag. Now I got frickin' 4 magazines. Yeah, now I got like 4 magazines for that gun. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm just putting the combat helmet on. I don't know if it really helps. I'm just kind of doing it for looks, honestly. I mean, I think it does help. I just found a camo Mosin Nagant.
Dude, I wonder if I can like grab myself food now. Hold on. Let me see. Can I do it, dude? Will it allow me?
I just don't want to be in this field. I don't feel safe.
Probably shouldn't. Don't. Couldn't.
I'm just heading straight for that antenna tower.
Whoa, you're fucking gone, bro.
I'm sprinting, dude.
Holy fuck. You're like fucking gone. I'm still back. You're fucking.
My guy's like a marathon sprinter, dude.
What the hell? You're fucking out of here.
Got this giant ass backpack on too.
Bro, if we were fighting and you ran from me, you would live because I would never ever get you. You're like a mile out. You're like a speck. I can't even see you anymore.
I'm gonna get I'm gonna get to this tower and I'll stop and then you can catch up.
So many clips.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go this way. It's getting dark again.
I feel later already, bro. Damn.